Trying to copy photos or videos from your Galaxy S26 to your computer, but your phone just won't show up or can't be accessed? That can be frustrating, especially when you're using a USB cable and everything seems connected properly. But in many cases, the real reason behind this issue is something most people don't even realize. USB debugging is either turned off or completely grayed out. USB debugging is an advanced feature inside developer options that allows your phone to properly communicate with a computer for file transfers, backups, and troubleshooting. Without it, your computer may not fully recognize your device. If you're watching this because USB debugging is disabled on your Galaxy S26, or you can't even turn it on, here's exactly what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app on your Galaxy S26. Then scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Once you're inside, scroll through the list until you find Auto Blocker. This feature is designed to protect your phone by blocking certain external connections, but it can also prevent USB debugging from being enabled. Tap the switch next to Auto Blocker to turn it off. When prompted, enter your PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. As soon as you disable it, go back to the main settings menu and tap Developer Options. Now scroll down to the debugging section and you should notice that USB debugging is no longer grayed out. At this point, you can finally turn it on. Once USB debugging is enabled, reconnect your Galaxy S26 to your computer using your USB cable. Your device should now be detected properly, allowing you to access your files and start transferring photos, videos, or any other data between your phone and your computer. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you're using an original or high-quality Samsung USB cable, because low-quality cables can also cause connection issues or prevent proper file transfers. Now, it's important to understand why this happens in the first place. By default, the auto blocker feature is turned on for security and privacy reasons. That's why USB debugging is restricted or grayed out in developer options to prevent unauthorized access to your device through USB connections. Once you're done transferring your files, you can either turn off USB debugging again or go back and re-enable auto blocker in the security and privacy settings. This helps keep your device secure, especially when connecting to unknown or public computers. After doing this, your Galaxy S26 should connect smoothly every time you plug it into your computer. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix your connection issue, give this video a like or check out another tutorial to learn more useful tips for your Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick and easy smartphone guides.